Yan guys, ready na kami mag-fishing ni Chantel. First time mag-fishing. Yan yung sa kanya. Yan. Binili namin sa online shop. Chantel! Tara na! Guys, for today's video, bakit kami mag-fishing ni Chantel? Go, 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 go. Yes. Pip pip. Bagal mo, Chantel. You're so slow. Kapagod din mag-bike. Mag-bike ng classic bike na ganito. Oops. Doon pa. Lapit na tayo. Uy, may ginawang upuan doon ah. Dun sa ramp. All clear. Let's go. Check it out. So nice. Muna natin, set up natin. Hold please. Yeah. Now I will teach you how to fish. And let's put worm first. Let's put a bait. Tayo ka nga kumita din. Tingin ka dito. Mag-observe ka. Paano maglagay ng worm. Worm. Mato. Okay. if you hold it like this, make sure that at least ganyan kahaba, or hindi siya sasagad doon yung connector mo doon, hindi sasagad doon sa may ring, yung bilog doon. Tapos second is kunin mo to, ito, ganyan ang paghawak mo or ganyan or ganyan, depende na sa'yo. Tapos ito yung bell, ito spinning reel ito yung bell nya. Ito nakalak siya. Tapos pag i-open mo ay pag magsiset ka na, kunin mo to ganyan, tapos i-open mo yung bell, saka mo na lang i-hagis, then that's the time you throw it. If you throw it at the same time you release the finger, so it's either 2 o'clock 3 o'clock when you throw it, when you get the momentum. So there. Uy, doon lang siya. Pagkatapon mo na ganun, saka mo i-close, no? Or pag sabay ng paglanding, pwede mo nang i-close ito. Tapos yan, laro-laruin mo na lang siya. Ito naman pag yung drag, for example ito pahigpit yan, hindi siya na napupul. Pero pag gusto mong i-release naman, ganyan, para kung gusto mong hilain yung line mo na ganun. Observe mo lang kung gagalaw-galaw na yung floater mo doon. For example, pag may nahuli yan, pag may nahook na fish, lulubog-lubog yan yung floater mo na yan. Ayun, gets? So, that way, let's get it on. Tapon balik yan. Nakakahuli na siguro yan kasi naligtan ko na yung hook, mas maliit na hook. Yun, dito. Galing. Saan nakuha mo?
Is it good? How does it feel? It feels good, huh?
Oops, parang may kumakagat. Pero wala. False alarm. Uy! Badakam! Natudok na rin tayo. Ang galing Ang galing mo, Chantel. Nakuha po yan sa camera. Nakuha ata. Yun, pwede na rin yan. Yan, galing. Guys, madami na. May worm ka pa? Yun. Ako 0. 4-0. Ilan na yung fish mo? Ilan na lahat yung fish? 4? 4? Ang saya! Ang saya-saya! Ang saya-saya! Ako wala pa! Uy, meron din ako. Malaki. Shit, dito ko. Eh, shit, tanga. Ang pangit kasi ng nakalubos. Hindi. Dito. Yun. May nakuha ako, guys. Yun. First catch. Nice one. Woohoo! Yes! Bakit kau lang ba? Pero parang lahna mga to maliliit. Maliliit na lahna. Pangit talaga ng fishing spinning reel na yon. Nice one. Ano, Shuntel? Ikaw lang ba? Yung pato. Yun sana, oh, pato. Sarap sana yun. Yan, oh.
Oh. Huh? Huh?
I think
Feels like
wait. He's getting it.
Yeah.
I think you got it. Here. Nice.
so. I think that's the same one.
Yeah.
That's the blue.
It's nice.
It's the same one. Oh, ouch.
Okay. Wait. Yes, but small. I can feel it.
Small.
It's very small. My. Small is nice also. Bawa naman ang liit. Pero sarap yan. Masarap pa rin yan. Walang sinasanto. Walang sinasanto na fish. I got it. Yes, ay! No! No! I almost fell. Shit. Oh my god. Damn, ouch. I almost fell. Oh god, I'm safe. Merinda muna tayo, guys. Oh yeah. Did you even get the bread? Did you get the bread? Just wait for it. You can eat fast. No. Yeah. There's one. Something. The Arven. This is Arven. It's still fine. More. Cool. Sa Ahven, madaming tusok to. Kaya dahan-dahan sa fish na to kasi matutusok ka. Dito, may tusok dyan. Magkabilaan. The floater is missing. I cannot see it.
Yeah, it's under the water.
Yeah, that's why.
You're gonna sit down.
Actually, you can sit down while if you launch already your bait. Just wait for it. Something is stealing my worm, and he got it. And he got it. Come on. Oh shit. False alarm.
Pull it upwards.
Change location, guys. Lipat kami doon sa kabila. Go there. Our other spot, fish spot. And we'll go to the forest. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa isang fishing spot namin. Ito nga lang. At ano dito? Ano dito? Uy, parang madami dito ah. Mababaw dito eh, alam ko. Shuntel! Bakit? Parang mababaw siya. Walang kumakagat dun. Tayo dito. Wait, I go first. Okay, so we are here now, our other fishing spot. It's a bit, here it's a bit, uy, tangi, stoops. Ano siguro malata dito eh. Try there, that side. Yeah. The problem is fish will easily escape here. So if you got one, try to. Dito ka dapat to. Para pag may makuha ka, try to pull it and put it. Yeah. Saka pa yun.